Hello, crochet lovers. Welcome back to Bliss Degree. If you're new here, I'm Kathy, and today, I've got something super exciting for you. In this video, we're diving into 35 free crochet cardigan patterns that are perfect for all skill levels. From beginners to seasoned pros. Whether you're looking for something quick and easy or a fun project to challenge yourself, I've got you covered. So, grab your yarn and hook, and let's jump into these gorgeous and cozy cardigans. All of these patterns are available for free, and I've linked them in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing crochet content. And there you have it, 35 free crochet cardigan patterns to inspire your next project. Whether you're making something cozy for the winter or light and airy for the summer, there's a cardigan here for every season and every skill level. The best part? These patterns are all completely free. Check the description box below and click on the Google Doc link to get access to all the patterns. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want more crochet inspiration, tips, and tutorials. Thank you for watching. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you next time.